Welcome back, my students. Today's topic is number line. What is a number line? Learn it. A number line is a graphical representation of a straight line that serves as spatial representation of numbers. In short, number line is a graphical representation of numbers, real numbers. That's what number line is. How can we represent real numbers on a line, on a graph? That's what number line is. Okay. And there is an example. This is an example for a number line. And what's the specialty of number line? Specialty of number line, if I'm considering somewhere 0, somewhere to the right of it 1, then the distance between 0 and 1 is called 1 unit. If I fixed 1 unit, then I should move the same distance towards right. It should be 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So the first point, the distance between 0 and 1 is called 1 unit. Second point, that distance is always same in a number line, in a single number line. Okay, here 1 unit left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Okay, don't think we can always have to write it. So sometimes I'm representing 0 here. And I need a big unit, then I'm representing a 1 almost here. It's also fine. 1. Till now it's fine. But from here onwards, if I fix in this number line the distance between 0 and 1 as 1 unit, the same distance I will mark 2. Same distance I will mark 3. Don't think I can mark 4 here. I cannot. In order to mark it, what should I do? The same distance I should mark 4. And as it move leftward, same distance minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, hope you understood that point. Next point about number line. It is never ending. Do not think what is the meaning of these symbols. These symbols means this number line is never ending. Somewhere here 1 lakh is there, somewhere here 1 crore is there, somewhere to the right of it 10 crore is there, and it is moving on to the infinity. Left side also. Somewhere here minus 100, minus 200, minus 3000, minus 1 crore. It is moving left to the infinity. That's the next point. It is never ending line. Okay. So 2 points already learned. The distance between 0 and 1 is called 1 unit, and that distance is fixed in a number line. Second, it is a never ending line. Third, as it move right toward, the numbers increase. As it move left toward, the numbers decrease. 1 is here, 4 is here. Look, 1 and 4, as it move right toward, the numbers increased. I'm considering 3. I'm considering 3 and minus 1. As it move left toward, the number decrease. Okay. I'm giving you another example for a number line. Sometimes depending upon the situation, I will mark 0 here. 1, sometimes I'm marking 1 here. Completely fine. But if you do that, the same distance I should mark 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and going on. Somewhere left of it, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Hope you got it. Hope you got it. So don't forget the next point. As it move right toward, the numbers increase. As it move left toward, the numbers decrease. Yeah. Now another property. Learn it. Any real number can represent on a number line. That's an important point. In a number line, how many points are there in a number line? Of course, infinitely many points are there. This is a point, 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 this is a point. Infinitely many points are there. Each point represents a real number. Each point in a number line represents a real number. Not only that, corresponding to any real number, there is a point in number line. Okay. Okay. In order to understand that, this will help. So this is number line. We know that the unit is almost this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Now what I'm doing, the portion between 0 and 1, I'm zooming. This is a zoomed effect of the first one. That portion, I mean this portion, I'm cutting into 10 equal parts. Then one of them is 1 by 10 out of 10 first part. Out of 10 second part, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10. So between 0 and 1, I already showed you 10 other rational numbers. Does it end? No. If I consider, okay, how many numbers are there between 0 and 1 by 10? Between 0 and 1 by 10, infinitely many points are there. That portion again, I'm zooming. For understanding purpose only, I'm saying I'm zooming this portion and I'm cutting. So by zooming, I got portion something look like this. Okay. Now I'm cutting that portion into 10 equal parts again. 1 by 10, I'm cutting into 10 equal parts. I will get 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 4 by 100. Again, 9 by 100, 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is basically 1 by 10. I can do this forever. I can do this forever. So that's the property of number line. Actually, if there are infinitely many points on a number line, each point represent a real number. And corresponding to each real number, there is a point on number line. Okay. That's a other thing you should learn through number line. If you consider any two rational number, maybe something look like 3 by 10 and 6 by 10. Any two rational number, doesn't matter how much closer they are, we can find another rational number between them. 3 by 10 and 6 by 10, I can find between them 4 by 10 rational number. Okay, if you don't need that, what about the 5 by 10, 5 by 100 and 6 by 100? That portion again I can cut into 10 equal parts. Okay, we are learning that idea through next session. It's called a density property between any two rational number. There are another rational numbers. Okay. Once again, I'm repeating what is a real net a number line. Number line is something look like this. It is never ending. So the portion between 0 and 1 is called 1 unit. Then for any real number, there is a point on number line. For any point on number line, there is a real number. For representing to any point, there is a real number. Okay. Hope you understood the idea. Well, Royce will discuss in the next class, next video. Thank you all.